Here at BayView Dental, we see a myriad of different patients, all with varying degrees of problems. Patients who are in a situation where their teeth are pretty bad and they need to be removed, and then likely going to need some type of a prosthesis, whether it's a removable dentures, implant-supported dentures, or full series of teeth that are supported by dentures, meaning screw-retained or cement-retained zirconia. But then there's people that we see who have been wearing dentures for quite literally decades, and quite literally have suffered for decades with those dentures. The people that are happy with their existing dentures, we don't see them very often. We don't see them. They're getting by. Even though the American Dental Association generally recommends that every 5 years your dentures should be replaced. It's amazing how long people will wear dentures. And then we see the folks that have been suffering with them. Maybe they only got them a year ago. Maybe they got them 5 years ago. Maybe they got them 20 years ago. At that point, never thought that dental implants could be a solution to helping them tolerate their dentures. And again, that's something that's really rewarding. Patients come in, they think they need a new set of dentures, and we ask them how they're fitting, and we say, oh, these things are never right. We have the folks that come in with a little baggie with a handful of many dentures in that little baggie that haven't worked for many years. We have solutions for that, and implants are a way to do it. So the best way to determine what the best course of action is, it would be to come in and have a consultation.